a good job. Come on. Come on, we gotta wear you out. That way you'll be sleeping when the fireworks start. Walking with both feet forward. I'm wearing my ankle foot orthotic for drop foot and peripheral neuropathy. And my right foot is completely numb right now. When I don't wear my orthotic, only the bottom of my foot is numb. Oh, good girl. Goodness. So this is what we're doing. It's an 8 to 10 minute walk, depending on if I get stopped by neighbors. But that's as far as I can go, and then I need to sit down. I'm trying to keep moving forward and find joy in every moment. And today, yes, happy birthday, America, but my Bailey has a fear of fireworks, so we stay in and turn up the stereo and we cuddle. I'll show you a video later of what symptoms she has. Welcome to Oregon on the coast. Hi everyone, how are you? Comment below how your July 4th holiday's going. Anyway, thank you for watching Journey to the Quiet with Cindy. Love to all. And come on, you need to run. Come on, time to wear out so you'll sleep through fireworks. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. You're not going to poop again, are you? I just cleaned up poop and I only have one bag. Come on. You silly girl. Come on, keep running. Keep running. You've got to make you tired so you'll sleep through fireworks. You're such a pretty girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Mommy loves you. Look what I did to my sweatshirt. It looks like ribbons. I used cut slits in the sleeve and used fishing line all the way up to the shoulder and neck area. I don't know if you can see it. It's my Reedsport boat anchor sweatshirt. Are you tired? You gonna sleep good tonight and not be scared of fireworks? I hope not. Oh, goodness. We'll see you tonight, and I'll show you what Bailey goes through when fireworks explode. It's heartbreaking, but I'm her service human during the holidays that fireworks are blown off. So she is my emotional support dog. She loves on me when I'm crying or comes close and follows me around the house. And I do have a letter from a doctor for an emotional support animal, and I have trained her some. She does not do public access. She's not ready for that. She still jumps up on people and she doesn't stay very well. She doesn't do downstay, and that's a priority if you want a service dog to be able to have public access. So anyway, thank you for watching Journey to the Quiet with Cindy and Bailey and Arts with his mom. We'll see how tonight goes. Take care. Thank you. Pray for peace on earth. Bye.